Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
Man, I'm looking forward to the ride today. Go do a little moto vlog here. Looking forward to it. What the hell's this? Where's the goddamn silver bullet at? Bly, I have loaned out the silver bullet to a friend. I'll bring it back later. P.S. I hope you don't mind. Ha ha. Dig. First of all, what's with the big poop floaty? And second of all, how the hell did he get in my goddamn house? Oh yeah. That's what you get when you lend your friend, tell your friend where your hide key is to watch the house while you're gone. Damn it. Well crap. I need to do frickin' motovlog, and how am I going to do it? I'm all dressed up, got all my gear on, and I got this. So great. I got to go do a motovlog, and I have nothing to ride, except for 2 bikes and the Blue Lightning. Well, I guess I know which one I'm going to be taking. Let's go. Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, and I'm coming to you on top of the Blue Lightning. What? You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go. Go.